Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Searcy County in north central Arkansas, east central Newton County in north central Arkansas, south central Marion County in north central Arkansas, until 4:30 p.m. At 4:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Eula, or 15 miles southeast of Jasper, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Duff, Marcina, Eula, Point Peter, St. Joe, Gilbert, Zach, Bass, Snowball, Silver Hill, Rowan Recreation Area, Baker Ford,